Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create dreamy glow effect using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and then I'm going to select one of my videos from my gallery, and for example, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and wait, let me change the canvas. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust the video. I'm going to go to the filter and then select adjust, and then you can adjust the lightness and then the contrast and the saturation. Okay, you can adjust that as you like, and I'm going to increase the lightness. All right, and then you're going to go to the sticker and then select detail, and you're going to choose blur and make it 100, and then you're going to cover your video with this blur effect. Okay, click on the check mark and you can make the effect align with your video like this, and after that you're going to click on the check mark and export the video. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and hold on guys. And then I'm going to go back to the project and then delete the effect and also the adjustment. I'm going to reset the adjustment. Oops, I'm going to delete the blur effect. Sorry, I'm not gonna reset the adjustment, but just delete this blur effect. I'm going to go to the sticker and then delete the sticker, and then I'm going to import the video we have just exported. Go to the BIP, and then I'm going to import this video. Okay, and we can click on this icon to fit the screen, and then you're going to go to the blend, and then you're going to choose lighten, and you will create something like this. And you can adjust the blending mode to customize the dreamy effect. Wait, let me go back to the blend mode. Okay, and you can adjust it like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create dreamy glow effect using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.